Okay, today so we're gonna change the front shocks, the trolley bed, and I may do the brakes as well. But anyway, to get the shocks out, fairly simple. I already loosened the bolts, but I've used an impact and also a breaker bar. Sometimes they're a little tough. Take the bolts out from there. Make sure that your car is, on stands that are good and not gonna fall off and you're not gonna break anything. So basically it's those two bolts over there, that 12mm bolt for the brake line over there, so make sure you get that off, and three 14mm bolts on the top. That's pretty much it. So I'm getting started right now, and once you take it off, just make sure you got the right part. Looks like I may have to replace this. It doesn't look good, as you can see. So it's a little linkage for the stabilizer over here. I had a lot of vibration, so my take is that may take a part of it. It's not a biggie if it breaks while you're driving. You're not gonna lose control of the car, but sure it's gonna vibrate a lot. What it does, it holds this bottom arm to the stabilizer. Yeah, 1 second. Okay, so to put it back, you just do the opposite. So after you take out the old shocks, you're just gonna slide the new one up. Tie it first on the top, so the bottom is still loose, and then you proceed from putting the bolts in. You're gonna need two hands though, so I'm holding a phone. I'm not gonna be able to do it, so I'm gonna pause the video for right now. And unfortunately it's dark, so I'm using a light, but you can get an idea. So make sure, just like I did on the other side, the line over there is unplugged. And once you got it open, you can actually inspect the rest of the hardware. It looks like the axle I just changed, they went bad again. I mean, the axle itself is still good, but the cap, the boot itself is broken, so I'm gonna have to replace it. All right, so I put this back on. Okay, so after you got the bolts tied on the top and tied on the bottom, make sure you tie them nice. You got a nice breaker bar, tie it very good. Forgot what the torque specification is, but as long as you tie them pretty good, they don't come off. So don't over tie them, ruin the threads. And don't forget to put that line back in, and that's pretty much it on how you put these shocks on. It's not very hard, so hope you can do it yourself like I did. Really didn't have to use that much tools. I mean, I have a impact. You don't even need a screwdriver to help you put these big bolts back in to align it. Breaker bar, ratchet, sockets, and that's it. Jack stands. I mean, doing it in the dark with a light, so it's definitely not hard. All right, hope you enjoy it. Thank you.